Hey, what's up? It's your girl Naya, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be testing out these little Shopkins, real brand, real cute little things. That's what it said on here. I just didn't make it up. But I love Shopkins. I think they're so cute. I love watching videos about them. And I saw these in Target, and I said, let me just try them out. They're supposed to be like small little versions of like real brands, and I see my friend had some one time, so I don't know if this is exactly the one she had, but apparently it's supposed to be real brands, like real brands you see in the store. So, and even on the outside it's has like brands and stuff. Like this is Breyer's ice cream, and this the Klondike bar. This has the little popsicle brand. So yeah, we're gonna test these out. I think they're super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and test these out. So it said you would just really need to dunk them in some water. So I got my bowl of water right here, and it said dunk, squish, and melt. And it said swish bag and water for a surprise. So I want my little surprise baby, so I got my bowl of water. Let me put y'all down a little bit so y'all can see the table a little bit. Okay, so just know these are 3 different colors I saw in Target: blue, purple, and pink. So let's start off with the blue one. Do I need to take this off first? Because in the picture they didn't have it on it. Whoa. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but I don't know how long I'm supposed to dunk it for. Is the bag's tearing up? I don't know if y'all can see that. It won't stay down. That's one thing. But the bag is tearing up. It expanded. I don't know if y'all can see. I wonder how long this is gonna take, baby, because I ain't got time. Look at the water. One thing about it, baby, this take too long. And I just ain't got patience. And this ain't even fun. Okay, let's just go ahead and take this out because I ain't got time. Okay. Get that stuff over there. I don't know why I didn't bring a towel with me. But oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a Marie Calendar one. And this one is the Good Humor ice cream. Oh my goodness, it's so dirty. Hold on, let me get a paper towel and some scissors so I can open these bags. Okay, I'm back, and I got the towel and the scissors so I can wipe these off. And this is what it was in. And then this little paper, whatever that soaks off, was over that. But let's open these up. Oh, it's so cute. And that's the ends. And the Shopkins should be in here. This is a lot of plastic. This is so cute. Look at it. And that's the side. the back and the other side. Oh, I thought I put it back to the front. That is so cute. And I don't know if I said it, but these was $3.99 each. So that's not bad for these little toys. And I will be giving these things to these Shopkins to my little sister or my little cousin, whoever wants them. But this one is a Marie Calendar one. This is cute. Okay, open this up. Move this out the way. Oh my goodness, it's a pot pie with stuff coming out of it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, go back in there. Okay, and it also came with this little paper, so it's 2 in each pack. Has a little paper. You can get frozen meals, so I got one of the frozen meals. Marie Calendar. His name was Pot Pie Pete, and then I got one of the popsicles. No, the ice cream snacks, and his name was Giant Neo. But they got different little sections. And also my stuff was common. Yeah, both of those were common. Okay, so let's open up the next one. And I'm not doing that water no more. Sorry if y'all wanted to see me do with water each time, but I'm gonna just cut it open because I don't like that water. That was not cute. I might just put this paper in the water. Watch it just disintegrate, but other than that, no water. I wanted a Breyers ice cream. I got a Breyers ice cream, and what's this? A Morning Star corn dogs. I know that's gonna be super cute, but let's open this ice cream first. I might have to get some more of these. I think these are so cute. That's so cute, and I love strawberry ice cream. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, it feels like a little strawberry ice cream. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. That is super cute. A little bowl of ice cream. And I'm glad I did my nails yesterday because this is all up on my nails. Okay, let's open these corn dogs up. And I never heard of this brand, Morning Star. I hope it's focusing because I ain't got time. This is stuck. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you what this ice cream was called. Her name is Berry Breyers. So yeah, Berry Breyers. And this, I don't even like corn dogs, but this is so cute. He been bit into camera up his face. Ain't that so cute? The little wiener. Yep. That's him. Put him back in his home. And his name is Reggie Veggie Dog. And he's actually ultra rare. Wow, ultra rare. And Berry Briars was actually a common as well. Okay, last one. I might have to go back and get some more. These are super cute. I like these. You ought to see this big mess over here. Oh my goodness. But put that in that water. Okay, I got another ice cream. Another Breyers ice cream. I hate it's only 2. But I guess for $3.99, that is a lot. Then you get the detail and the little Shopkins and its case. Super cute. It's a little scoop of ice cream. That is super cute. And his name is Vanilla Breyers, and he's actually rare. Ooh, he's rare. Okay, then the last one, a little Klondike bar. Even the bottom has a little thing. But let's open this up. This is so cute. But yeah, that's him. Put him in this little home. And this one name is the vanilla one. I don't even see it. Oh, here the Sandy Klondike. Sandy Klondike. So cute. And that one is common as well. So I got my little babies, my little groceries. They're super cute. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see me open some more of these, just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.